Hi guys, my name is Callie and welcome back to the Acne channel. Today we're going to talk about the 5 acne scar myths you need to stop believing. But before we talk about that, let's talk about what an acne scar actually is. An acne scar forms when the skin is stretched for a prolonged period of time. So in the same way that stretch marks work, where if you gain weight, lose weight, go through a pregnancy, go through hormonal changes, things like that, that's the same way that acne works. So if acne is on your skin for a prolonged period of time, it will permanently stretch out the collagen fibers, and that's why when your skin heals, it doesn't look quite the same. It has a little bit of an indentation. That's an acne scar. Common types of acne scars include ice pick, boxcar, and rolling scars. Myth number 1 is that acne scars and hyperpigmentation or darkened spots are the same thing. This is not true at all. Dark spots are just a color change to the skin that can eventually fade once a lot of time has passed or once you've used, topical treatments, where acne scars are a more permanent structural change to the skin that require more invasive treatment to get rid of. So dark spots on the skin will look just like a color change to the skin, but acne scars will have an actual indentation where the spot once was. Myth number 2 is that scars will fade on their own if you just wait. So hyperpigmentation or dark spots can fade with a lot of time passed if you just wait, but we can really speed these up by using things like sunscreen to protect your skin and prevent new hyperpigmentation from occurring, and by using actives as well. For acne scars, again, usually it will require more invasive treatments. Acne scars aren't going to just disappear on their own. You're going to need something like microneedling, lasers, chemical peels, especially for deeper scarring. For me, I really like to use the Banish kit for my acne scars. I've been using the Banish kit for about 7 or 8 years now, a long time, and it's helped a ton with my acne scarring over the last couple of years. Again, it's something that you can do at home. It's really cost effective. It doesn't cost nearly as much as doing it at in office. And you get quite a few uses out of one microneedling device, which is amazing. Atrophic acne scars are permanent and less likely to resolve spontaneously. Early treatment of acne is essential to minimize their development. This is a quote from Optimal Management of Acne to Prevent Scarring and Psychological Impact. Myth number 3, home remedies like toothpaste or lemon juice can lighten acne scars and make acne and scarring better. Guys, please don't do this. This is so irritating to your skin. It can cause contact dermatitis. It can really cause just a lot of irritation, redness, more inflammation, which is really going to make you more prone to breakouts and actually developing more hyperpigmentation, dark spots, PIH, and acne scarring. So please don't do that. Lemon juice and other DIY remedies can induce contact dermatitis and a post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation rather than improving scars. This is from the Skin Barrier Health, Function, and Importance for Health and Disease. 4, only expensive laser treatments work. Again, wrong. I know this not to be true because I have been using microneedling at home for the past 8 years for my skin, and it's worked beautifully to reduce about 90% of my acne scars. Professional lasers are effective and expensive, and they're not the only option. You can also do microneedling, chemical peels, and at-home treatments. Number 5 is once you treat your scars, they never come back. Absolutely not true. You have to stop the acne cycle. So if the acne keeps coming back, the scarring is going to keep coming back. Without ongoing care like sun protection and skincare, acne will continue to come back and the scarring will continue to occur. So it's really going to be a lifelong relationship between you and your skin and taking care of it, making sure that you're wearing sunscreen every day, making sure you're doing your skincare every day. And again, the root of treating your acne scars is really resolving your acne and taking care of your skin first. These are the 5 myths that I could think of and that I came up with today. If you guys know any down below that I didn't get to today, feel free to comment them and I will get to them in my next video. At-home microneedling for a fraction of the price. Go ahead and check that out and I will see you guys next time. Bye.